So let's start by looking for the digits round. We are rounding to the nearest hundredth, which is to the decimal places. Now you have to know why the hundredth is the first decimal place is this one, and the second is this one. This is a tenth, this is a hundredth. So the digits to round is 3, because 3 is in the second decimal place, it's in the hundredth place. So digits to round is 3. And the next digit from 3, the next digit is 8. That's the digit to the right. The immediate digit to the right is 8. And then rounded number. What are the rules? You consider this 8. If this 8 is 5 or more, you will add 1 to 3. So the rounded number will be 5.64. 5.64. And this will not with these other ones because it's a decimal place. We will not with those. Now, how to explain this? We'll say that 8 is 5 or more. 8 is 5 or more. So round the 3 up to 4. Yes. Now for the second one, we are asked to round 2.54089 to the nearest tenth. To the nearest tenth is the same as to one decimal place. So we start with tenth, hundredth, thousand, and so and so. Here we have tenth. The digit on the tenth place value is 5. So the digit round is 5. And then the next digit, the digit immediately to the right of the digit round is 4. And now let's round it. The rounded number will be 2.5. And now, what is the explanation? The explanation is that 4 is less. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So the 5 stays the same. Yeah, the 5 stays the same because 4 is less than 5. So for the next one, you are asked to round off 84.996 to the nearest hundredth. 84.996 to the nearest hundredth, that's the same, the nearest two decimal places. Let's see, this is tenths, this is hundredths. Now, the digit to round is the digit on the hundredths, or the digit on the second decimal place. So that digit is 9. The digit to round is 9. The digit is round to 9, and then the next digit, or the digit immediately to the right of 9, is digit 6. Digit 6. And now, how do we round off? This 6 is 5 or more, so we will add 1. This is how we are going to round off 84.996. Then we add 1. Where will you add 1? Here. This one will cancel it. It will be 0. Will cancel it. 0. So 9 plus 1 is 10. This is 0. Will carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. This is 0. Will carry 1. 4 plus 5 is 4 plus 1 is 5, and then you have 85. Our decimal place is here. So the rounded number will be 85.00. 85.00. So what's our explanation? Why are we keeping these two zeros? Why are we keeping these two zeros? This is our explanation. We can see this 6 is 5. This 6 is 5 or more. This is 5 or more. So when 6 is 5 or more, our 9, and the 9 becomes 10. And when the 9 became 10, we carried 1. So we carry over the 1. Carry over the 1. After that, we kept the trailing zeros the same to indicate the required accuracy. The trailing zeros are here. So we can write here, keep trailing zeros to indicate the required accuracy. In this case, our required accuracy was 2 decimal places, so we have kept 2 decimal places. Now for the word done, you are asked to round off 0.071562 to the nearest thousands. This is tenths. This is hundredths. And this is thousands. So the digit on the thousands place value is the digit to round, and that digit is 1. That digit is 1. And the next digit immediately to the right of this digit to round is 5. And now the rounded number will be, we'll consider this one. If it's more than, if it's 5 or more, we'll add 1. So we'll have 0.072. 0.072. And now what's our explanation? 5 is 5 or more. 5 is 5 or more. So round the 1 up. So round the 1 up, and when you round up, it gets 2. So round the 1 up to 2. Yes.